Active include Bossier City, Houghton, Eastwood, Princeton, Fillmore, Bellevue, Red Chute, and Bonkai. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. This storm is capable of producing large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has